the tiny green fruit that protects your DNA. Kiwi's superpower revealed. What if I told you that something as small and fuzzy as a kiwi could literally protect your DNA from falling apart? Wait, did you just roll your eyes? No, this isn't another trendy superfood pitch. This is real science backed by research and tucked inside a tangy green fruit that costs less than your morning latte. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to want to put kiwi on your grocery list. For good. You've heard of vitamin C, you've heard of antioxidants. But have you ever heard of a fruit that can actually repair your DNA? Yes, repair. Let's break this down. Part 1, DNA damage, the hidden crisis. Every single day, your body is under attack. Free radicals, pollution, stress, UV rays, even certain foods can damage the very code that makes you, you. We're talking about DNA strand breaks, thousands per cell, per day. It sounds terrifying because it kind of is. And while your body does have repair systems in place, they need help. That's where Kiwi steps in like a molecular bodyguard. Part 2, what makes Kiwi a DNA defender? So what's in this little green fruit that gives it superhero status? Vitamin C powerhouse. One medium kiwi gives you more vitamin C than an orange. And vitamin C is like the fire extinguisher for cellular fires, extinguishing free radicals before they torch your DNA. Antioxidant Cellular. Kiwi is packed with polyphenols and carotenoids, compounds known to reduce oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind DNA damage. Actinidin, the enzyme you didn't know you needed. This unique enzyme helps break down proteins and reduces inflammation, an indirect but vital line of defense for DNA stability. Kiwi being sliced, glowing nutrients and free radicals being blocked like a video game shield. But let's get nerdy for a second, because science backs this up. A study published in Mutation Research found that participants who consumed 1 to 3 kiwis per day experienced significant health benefits within just a few weeks. The results showed fewer DNA strand breaks, improved repair activity in lymphocytes, and a measurable increase in antioxidant capacity, demonstrating kiwi's powerful role in supporting cellular health and DNA integrity. Who needs a lab when you've got a lunchbox? Part 3, the bigger picture, why DNA integrity matters. Let's zoom out. When DNA gets damaged and isn't repaired properly, you're not just aging faster. You're also increasing your risk of cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, immune dysfunction, and even accelerated skin aging. So when we talk about kiwi enhancing DNA integrity, we're actually talking about disease prevention, longevity, and optimal health. Part 4, beyond vitamin C, kiwi's secret weapons. But wait, if it was just about vitamin C, you could just pop a supplement, right? Wrong. Kiwi works better than isolated supplements because it delivers nutrients synergistically. It means that the combined effect of its components is greater than the sum of their individual benefits. It contains folate, which supports DNA synthesis, potassium, which aids in cellular signaling, and fiber, which promotes gut health, a key player in regulating inflammation and gene expression. Nature didn't package all this together for no reason. Take Emma, a 38-year-old teacher. She started eating 2 kiwis a day. Within 3 weeks, her blood tests showed reduced inflammation markers. She didn't change anything else, just added kiwi. Now imagine stacking that habit for a lifetime. What would your DNA look like at 50? 60? 80? Part 5, how to maximize kiwi's benefits. So how do you make kiwi your DNA's new best friend? Start by eating it raw, as cooking can destroy some of its delicate, health-boosting nutrients. For even more benefits, keep the skin on. It's not only edible, but also doubles the fiber content. Just be sure to wash it thoroughly. To supercharge its effects, pair kiwi with other colorful fruits like berries, oranges, or pineapple to create a powerful, DNA-repairing fruit cocktail. DNA smoothie, anyone? Part 6, kiwi versus other fruits. Does it stack up? So how does kiwi compare to your usual favorites? Kiwi fruit has got 92 GNM of vitamin C and a strong DNA protection evidence. It is much more than fruits like orange, apple, and banana. Turns out kiwi wins by knockout. Future, you will thank you. Think about this. The cells in your body are constantly regenerating. Every few months, many of them are brand new. But how well they copy depends on the blueprint, your DNA. So, what blueprint are you giving your future self? 1 kiwi a day could mean sharper focus, stronger immunity, and healthier aging. Small fruit, massive impact. So the next time you're at the store, skip the candy bar and grab a kiwi. Your DNA will thank you, and 10 years from now, so will you. Hit like if you learned something new. Share this with someone who eats like their DNA doesn't matter. And subscribe for more science-backed wellness truths. Because in a world full of hacks and hype, it's the humble kiwi that just might save your cells. Kiwi is the small fruit with a genetic advantage.